Hi there, welcome to the weekly Cardano session. If you're new to these sessions, these are the key areas I'll focus on, and they're based on two main concepts. Also, these are not financial advice, and they're for education and research purpose only, and also discussion with the online community, including you. Please take note. Let's get started with Cardano. So, Cardano, impressive long candlestick, green candlestick last week, hit or went through the top of the white box, the long-term playground zone, re-entered the zone, and then quickly resumed and returned to between the purple and the green line. So if you have here first time, the purple line is the automatic reaction from the Wyckoff stage, and also the green line is from the buying climax. So basically it now returns to the zone where it's likely going to range bound if there's no particular good news for Cardano or the crypto industry overall. Otherwise, there's a chance for Cardano to make another high if there are really good news coming out. So the way we can look at this is similarly in 2021. It's got a buying climax here. That's what we had here. And then it's got two upthrust, one upthrust after distribution before the price returns to the long-term playground zone and started another round of accumulation. Right now, we can't say for sure whether an upthrust would happen this cycle. It's not a must that upthrust and upthrust after distribution would happen. They can be non-existent. So a cycle can happen with a buying climax and maybe some second test, and then with LPSY, and then eventually dies down. So it's not a must for these two to happen. So right now it seems like at least we're at the start of this week is still being restricted by this green resistance line. So if we look at the daily activities, I've been talking about this pink downward trend. Like for candlesticks pattern, downward flag is a bullish sign, and indeed there was a very huge green candle, very high volume that pushed the price back to even above the horizontal short-term playground zone. So actually, if I expand the box a little, usually I wouldn't draw the box like to the tip of these waves. So let me change to this so it's easier. Right now we can see, if I take this out, when it hits the same top, now the price is there's some people selling, let's put it this way. Usually I don't want to put the edge at the very tip if I use the chart for like my own reference to trade, because that's basically too risky. The reason is, if we look at these peaks, they are never going to touch the top. If we draw the box all the way to the very top, like this, the highest peak, a lot of times the price just wouldn't hit there. So I tend to be more conservative and squeeze the box a little, so in case there's like fake bull or whatever, or like bear traps, it's still fine. At least I can detect more like peaks hitting the line, and I know, okay, it's probably time. So with this huge push, it's either some buying orders being set at the top of the long-term playground zone, the white line here, the top of the white box. However, we'll have to see whether that's going to last. At this level, it's like it's going to bounce within the short-term playground zone again before another trend develops. So let's see what's going to happen with Cardano next. Thanks for joining. See you at Dogecoin session next.